Was he wearing a helmet? Do you know?
It does not appear so, but I'm not real sure yet.
Fair. But he's still alive?
As far as I'm aware.
Good. That's good.
Go take your pictures and go that way. Please. I will.
You're acting ridiculous.
It can be.
Well, do your thing, dude.
I know how you guys are. You don't care. It's just because.
Interesting.
What'd you say to me?
I said interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting.
Just go away, dude.
No, I'm not going to. It's a public street.
You're standing in the middle of it.
Yeah, damn right I am.
You're acting like an idiot.
Out of nowhere, he didn't tell nobody. December.
You again, huh?
Yes, sir.
How's your fourth going?
Good. How's yours?
25th.
Keeping you busy?
Yeah. I don't know what you didn't clean nothing. I was in my truck, but that's my bike. But
Is that you guys should have we've had two bikes doing about
no, that was no. We haven't been.
What do we got going on?
What's up?
What's happening?
Guy just crashed his motorcycle into that pole right there.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Is he okay?
Man, I don't know. He doesn't look good. Just the position he's in. Yeah, that's
Not good.
not good. Yeah.
He took off out of nowhere, and we seen the sirens.
Jesus.
And I tried to call him.
He smacked the pole.
Yeah. That's what the 911 call said.
You with the dispatch?
Yeah. Nope.
I live right on the corner, so I have Airbnb guests, and I'm just wondering what's going on with all the lights. Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, that doesn't
Not
look
good.
good. Yeah.
At all.
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't look in good position. He just said he took off out of nowhere and
Not good at all.
yeah. Man. I didn't
When
even.
did the call come in?
No, I know.
2 minutes, 3 minutes ago. Yeah, it
We
was.
had just left. We took sister and brother-in-law back home, and then we came back, and they were all here.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, this just came in, and I saw the lights, and I'm just following these guys around for mainly stops, not wrecks. But
Fair.
Tell you what, man, if you want to just hang out by your
No, yeah, that's.
if you want to go hang out by your bike, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Did they take him?
Yeah, they got him loaded up pretty quick.
Did he pass away?
No, he was moving.
Is he?
He didn't.
Hi there.
How's it going?
Good. You
Yeah.
guys doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you involved?
No, I live on the corner, so I got Airbnb gas. So with
Oh.
all the lights, I'm just seeing what's going on.
Got it.
Yeah.
Is one of these bikes yours?
No.
No.
No. Okay. You.
Is he okay?
He's.
Well,
Conscious.
obviously
Conscious
not
breathing.
okay, but conscious. Yeah.
Yeah.
Was he wearing a helmet? Do you know?
Does not appear so, but I'm not real sure yet.
Fair. But he's still alive.
As far as I'm aware.
Good.
Good.
That's good.
Yeah. So are you both just neighbors then? Just saw the lights and came to check?
I'm with the press.
I'm just.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
he's with
Yeah.
press. I'm down the street. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously we'll be out here for a while, so
Yeah.
just try and make sure you stay a little bit back
Yep.
for me, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks.
All right, brother.
All right, man.
See you, man.
Happy 4th, brother.
Yeah, you too.
Pulled his car right here.
I see the building. But I didn't see where it was. Oh, that I can't. No, I was over on the side. Yeah, no, he was parked next to me, but
He's doing his investigation right now. Pole, man, he hit that pole hard. So that was the pole he was wrapped around. And then, man,
Are you junction now?
no.
I was like, wow, did I finally get to meet him?
Get out of this guy's way.
Yeah, I wish there would have been
at that pole. Jesus. So from the pole, he's marking the trajectory from the pole. I swear all these guys have ADHD. There's like 4 dudes with chevrons here. So we got him way down there.
go. If you guys need anything, yeah, so he can call anytime. It doesn't look like there's any damage to the house. If he gets too much by any of it. No, I don't know where it came from. It wasn't in the yard. I didn't think it might be theirs. Yeah.
I said that stump's not theirs.
I started walking in the yard because I'm like, what is that? So no, it's not our stump. There should be nothing in our yard. But yeah, if you guys need anything, just let me know. And I'm glad the house ain't on fire. Hopefully he's okay.
There's a lot of cops standing around.
Trying to get it for your socials or what?
What's that?
Trying to get your shit for your socials or what?
No, I'm with the media.
Okay. Well, kid's life isn't that funny, so go take your pictures and go that way, please. I will.
You're acting ridiculous.
It can be.
Well, do your thing, dude.
I know how you guys are. You don't care. It's just because.
Interesting.
What'd you say to me?
I said interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting.
Just go away, dude.
No, I'm not going to. It's a public street.
You're standing in the middle of it.
Yeah, damn right I am.
You're acting like an idiot.
Let's see if I know.
Do your thing, dude. No intimidation here.
Look, if you're going to talk shit to me, talk shit.
I said you're not intimidating anybody. Just go back over there where you were.
I don't care to intimidate you.
Then don't even talk to me.
You got to protect the dignity of somebody else.
I could have been right there when you guys were talking when the family came up, but I wasn't, was I? I mean, that shows some dignity, doesn't it?
Not really.
Well, then just leave, dude.
I'm not going to, but that's cool.
Okay, well, I'll make it about you then. dignity protector. Jesus. Just don't even talk to me. Well, they're going to continue to do an investigation, I'm sure. So I am going to leave it at that. Oh, man. Some people. Like, I guess I just don't get the point. Oh, trying to keep his dignity intact. Okay, well, he's gone. I don't know. He's gone, so I don't know what dignity is to be had. And then also, what does standing there do? Nothing. Just shut up, leave me alone, let me do my thing, and then I'll move on.